What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on your BMW G20. Now to do so, it's very easy. Come to the passenger side of the car, and underneath the glove box we will need to remove a cover piece first, and that is held in by two flat screws. The two screws are located here as well as here. Simply twist this to the left side to unlock. Same goes for the other side. Now we should be able to pull down on this cover plate here. And that will come right out. We want to be careful when we're taking this off here. We want to disconnect this LED footwell light. We simply grip the sides of the connector and pull firmly. So once we've gotten the cover removed as well as this wire removed, there will be two Torx T20 screws underneath here. One will be located right here, and the other one is located right here. Once those Torx screws are removed, there's only two clips holding this cover into place. One is located on the right side here, and the other is located on the left side, right behind the pipe right here. And once the cover plate is taken off, sometimes the air filter will fall right out, but basically the air filter is just located right here now. And we simply just pull down to take out the old air filter. So here is the original part number for this BMW air filter. This is from the factory, and I will also leave a link down below. It looks like the airflow filters are pointing both up and down, so it could be installed either way. However, you do need to make sure when you reinsert it that it is in this position, meaning that the corner is on this side and the slanted edge is on the left. So to reinstall, we simply just push this back up, reinsert this cover piece. Make sure when we put this cover piece back on that all the edges are lined up, and then we want to reinstall our two Torx T20 screws. All right, so once we've reinstalled our one as well as two T20 screws, we're going to reinstall the plastic footwell cover by reattaching this footwell LED and then those two slotted screws. And when we are reinstalling this plastic trim cover piece, we want to make sure that this piece hooks on first to this side here. So once the plastic trim cover is back into place, we simply just tighten down on these two flat screws. And that's it for the cabin air filter change on your BMW G20. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if it's worth it to do it yourself or get it done at the dealer. If you do have any questions, leave them down below. As always, check out my channel for more car videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.